Okay, listen, you guys, don't deprive yourself any longer of good homemade ice cream. So, if you have a stand mixer with an ice cream maker attachment, you're gonna want this recipe book to go along with it. There are so many ideas in here, so much inspiration, and it goes beyond just ice cream. So, you have sorbet recipes as well as froyo and even gelato recipes. The directions are very easy to follow. So you have your recipe and its summary, you have your ingredients list, and your step-by-step directions. You guys, there are some yummy recipes in here. I'm talking, let's see, passion fruit nectar gelato. I would have never thought of that myself. S'mores ice cream, are you kidding me? We have guava bliss froyo, apple honey sorbet. I mean, there's so much in here, so much inspiration, so many creative ideas. I wouldn't have thought of half of these recipes myself, and I've tried some of them. They're super yummy. I highly recommend this recipe book. It's also really good quality, so it's really great to keep on your kitchen cabinet. Has like a glossy cover to it, so it's easy to wipe down if you are cooking and you splash something on it. You can just kind of wipe it off. I love this cookbook, guys, and I highly recommend it for you.